Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so we're going to do a remove file today, but before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button now. Thank you very much for doing that. So let's start. First of all, we're going to import the OS module, and then we're going to create a function called remove file. So this is going to be the function, and we're going to create the path to the file that we want to remove. So this is how we do it. On your machine it'll be slightly different, so you'll have to find the path on your machine. This path here that I'm typing is unique to my machine, so your machine will be different. Okay, users mark desktop. Right, I stress you have to find, for your computer you'll have to find your path here. Okay, so let's type in os.chdr, which is change directory. So we're going to change directory to the path there, and we're going to do a conditional statement. So if os.path.exists, and we're going to give the name of the file that we want to remove, which is a.txt. Oops, we're going to do something. os.remove the file, which is going to be a.txt, else print file does not exist. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to call it, which is going to be here, so remove file. Okay, we're just going to save it, and I'll just show you the file. This is the file on my desktop here, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it over there, I think somewhere, and where's it gone? Just shrink this down a little bit. Hopefully we'll see it in action. So let's just shrink that a little bit. Hit run. There we go. It's disappeared. So Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you've not done so already, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.